This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Lenovo ThinkPad E570. For the repair process, we'll need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic pick. To begin, turn the laptop off and disconnect the power cord. Now we can remove the bezel. Start from the left side and gently pull the inner edge away from the screen. Once the edge is unsnapped, go around the perimeter, unsnapping the tabs at the top, right side, and the bottom. Put the bezel aside. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 Phillips screws holding the LCD panel, 2 screws at the top, and 2 more screws at the bottom. Place the LCD on the keyboard. Gently peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Using a plastic pick, open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old panel. At this point, the new LCD can be installed. Take the new LCD screen and place it on the keyboard. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket and secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. You must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up, aligning it with its mounting holes. Now we can test the screen. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. If the startup graphics appear, the screen is working and we can continue installation process. Turn the laptop off and disconnect the power cord. Replace the 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. Replace the bezel. Start at the bottom. Press firmly, snapping the tabs back in place near the hinges, then move along the perimeter. Use one hand to support the back cover and press firmly along the bottom of the bezel. Turn the laptop over and make sure that the bezel is snapped in near the hinge cover. Turn the laptop on, and if the startup graphics appears, the LCD has been installed properly and we are done.